Hey, sir. Hey, man. You all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
Do you know where you're at?
Yeah, I'm good.
Man, rescue squad's here to check on you. You mind sitting up for me?
Yeah, I'm alright.
All right, sit up, boss.
Alright.
You been drinking a little bit today?
A little bit.
Yeah? You take anything else today?
Not much.
Not much. Anything else besides alcohol?
No.
Okay. You mind you want to get checked out by the rescue squad? You look.
No, not really. I don't have to.
If you can walk away, you can walk away.
Yeah, I'm just sitting down right here.
Well, that's the problem.
Well, he has some food. You don't want food, too?
I might have one for you. Sorry.
Oh no, they've been breaking all day.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I'll find me a cigarette or something here pretty soon.
A cigarette. I don't have cigarettes, man. What's your name?
Christian Gonzalez?
Gonzalez?
Yeah.
Christian?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you, man?
No.
Do you know your social? What is it? Whoa. Hold on now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Where do you live at, man?
I'm homeless.
You're homeless?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I was looking for a cigarette right now, and then I was going to go pass out. I'm looking for a cigarette and a soda.
Well, you can't pass out on the mall like that. You understand?
Well, I'm not going to pass out right here.
Well, you were when I got up. You were laying down on the bricks right here. Somebody was concerned.
I was.
Yeah. You don't remember that? Do you remember where you were?
Nah,
No? Yeah. You were
know what
just
that means, don't you?
you're just laid out.
Whoop their fucking ass.
What's up?
You know what that means?
What's that?
They just whoop some ass.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
You don't know about it?
No, I don't.
So I keep spanking it. Keep spanking it. Keep spanking it.
658. I got a social for you.
When we got here, he was laid out, responding to voice.
Christopher Gonzalez with no address out of Virginia Beach. Not licensed.
You from Virginia Beach?
Texas area.
Oh, Texas. Okay.
Yeah, Austin
10-4.
area.
Does he need to sign anything for y'all? No. You have any medical complaints, Mr. Gonzalez?
No, sir.
All right. Y'all are good.
I'll see you later.
I didn't say you were good yet. We need to figure out what the plan is for you.
Well, what's going to happen with me is, I'm telling you, is I'm going to chill out here. I don't give me a cigarette. Don't give me a 22 4-ounce of soda. And I'm gonna go
Soda. Okay. Well, how about this? How about we do this? If you can stay off the downtown mall and I don't see you again, then I won't take.
That's not going to happen.
Why?
I'm going to stay right here.
Then I'm gonna take you to jail for drunk in
Well,
public.
let's go then.
You want to go then?
Yeah.
Because you're gonna come right back, is what you're saying.
Oh, yeah.
6-5 base. Will you start me the van, please?
I'm sure why I gotta go. I want to go in 5 minutes ago.
Because you're intoxicated, and I want to give you a chance
So
to
I
go where
was
you need
not
to go.
intoxicated 5 minutes ago.
No, you were, but I
So
was.
you're gonna make me a deal about being intoxicated.
I mean, I was gonna.
No, you're making me a deal about being fucked up in public.
No, I was trying to give you a.
No, that's what you
turn
fucking
around.
just
Turn around,
fucking
Chris.
did. Yeah, motherfucker. Yeah, you know that shit, bitch. You know that shit, motherfucker.
shit like that. Hand behind your back.
You know that. Fuck you.
Give me your hand. Put it behind your back.
Fuck you, bitch.
Step it up. Get down on the ground, Chris. Stay back.
Hey, excuse me, sir. The one without the police on.
Roll over. Roll over. Come here.
30 days. Myself and 114 or what he was custom.
I got an accident up here, handcuff.
You can slow the other hand. Hey, stay back there for a minute.
Right there. Hold on. Hold on, wait. I'm good, yeah.
All addiction custody.
Try to give him a chance to leave. Stupid.
I said, hold on a second.
I'm just trying to pull away. I'll put my stuff.
47.
Roll over. All right, man.
Time to hold it for just a moment.
Maybe in a second.
Possibly. Thank you.
Hey, you got a car on me.
Let's stand him up. We're sitting up.
He's not really tall.
I have it on me.
Where is it?
It's a blue.
Where is it?
I believe it's one. I don't know exactly which one.
What does he have?
His card, I think.
Yeah, I have his car on me.
This his card?
Yeah.
David.
Is that it? Is that it? Yeah. All right.
30 directing after the vehicle.
It's fine.
You got anything on you just gonna stick me or poke me?
No.
I'm worth it.
32. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's green, 84?
Yeah, I think so.
CP-COM 1. CP-COM 2. CP Services Division.
Is my thing still going off?
Huh?
My radio still going off?
I think she cleared it.
Okay. 6-5 to services.
You get his information.
Yeah.
C65.
Go for 65.
If everything's okay there, can you reset your
Oh, yep.
radio?
Come on. Thanks.
Yeah.
I got it.
Boy, looking it across the street.
Who?
You.
Him.
I
That's
came,
right.
I came on like, look at old legs. You know.
Should just be able to push it and hold it, right?
I was told
Yeah.
to. I don't know.
That's not so. Well, at least with the old radios, that wasn't supposed to reset it, but I don't know. You have to ask.
CP Services Division. CP.
Stay right there.
CP-COM 1.
You got it?
6-5 to base. Am I reset?
Yeah, it looks like it. Thank you.
Okay.
10-4, thanks.
Good to know.
CP Services Division.
6-5 to services. Can I get you to run me a CH by social?
Oh, God damn it, are we gonna come the fuck on or not?
Nah, you're on my time now.
I'm on your time, bitch. You're on my time, motherfucker. Bitch, motherfucker.
Come back for Christopher Gonzalez.
10-4, thank you.
I'm sorry if I explained that to you.
CP-COM
I'm
1.
sorry, that came out the wrong way.
I don't even have any idea what you're talking about, dude.
No, they didn't even have a test.
Didn't we deal with you at Food Line like a week ago?
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago, my bad.
So what the fuck?
Waiting for the van.
Sorry, he was trying to tell the old guy he has to have a helmet, but didn't know.
He does.
He does.
Some guy's supposed to be texting it to me, so see if he can figure out how to do that and get it done.
Yeah.
He didn't seem interested in talking that long. He just handed me a card and asked if I could give him my numbers. He could send it to me. He said, sure, we do that today. I'll wait for it.
I just realized I never did talk to that guy over at where I'll go up there and do that real quick since it looks like I'm not going anywhere anytime soon.
Hung up on old Tony Dorsey.
What's
that?
I hung up on Tony.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I gotta go.
You didn't need it.
58263 Mike.
All right, green's here. We can start walking them down.
Need any of this with you?
I'll give him that.
Call the CA's office.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Waste of time.
84, just put your lights on so we get over there. Turns on a yellow 2020 Vespa moped to Ludwig and Cutner, PO Box 18, expiration 12/31/2020. 10-4, could you just hard copy that for me? Just put it in the intersection, 2nd Northeast and Water.
Watch your head,
Watch your head.
alright? There you go.
Let's have a seat in that chair.
Seat in the chair, alright?
Is your front seat clear?